All right, so here we go. I gotta be quick. I gotta make this video in under a minute. Here we have a new Maserati, or newer Maserati. Simply just through a code, we put the computer on it, give it a clear bill of health. Over here, orange Gallardo, beautiful car. Suffered some body damage. We got this quarter panel fixed, paint matched perfectly, waiting on tail lights, gonna retint those, get those installed, fixing carbon fiber piece, installing new wing, engine hatch back on, good to go, back to customer, off to the races. Here's my baby. Beautiful Aston Martin. We've done a clutch on this one. We've done some routine maintenance. We put new clutch lines in it. It's actually been prepped now, going to sale, going to Washington State. Can't wait for the new owner to get that. The one and only New Balance wearing.
Really adorable.
Carbon fiber, the entire full carbon fiber Z06 C7. To my knowledge, the only one in the world. We basically just put a new bumper on it, got it fitted right. It's going for sale as well. Look for it on the market. Up top, 85, 86, 87, not sure, Monte Carlo Aero Coupe. Full LS swap, winter project for us and the customer. Brand new Supra, lucky for us, one of the first in St. Louis to be delivered. We're doing downpipes and the tune. Downpipes done, tune come next week. Ready, back on the road. And then over to the old school Miami Vice, but it's red type thing, 328 GTS. Prep this one for sale. Antenna power issues, air conditioning issues, starting issues, all fixed up, ready to go. It's a great car. You see that one going for sale soon as well. So that's all we have going on over here. All right, so really cool, we're in the shop now. This is Underground Racing, Gallardo, super cool car. We're just doing some routine maintenance, getting some wheels repaired. On top of that, just checking some things with the convertible top, get it in and out of the shop. Don't drop. All right, ATS, we've done a lot to this car. Lowering springs, downpipes, exhaust. We've done intake, it's waiting for its tune, and then it's back to its loyal customer. Beautiful 240 SX that we did a new engine in, but what we're gonna do is put a completely new harness and new ECU so it can run perfectly, keep it on the road for the customer so it's not here anymore. This bad dog over here is getting a head gasket. It's horrible. We don't do these anymore. Bentley, we have a leaky roof. We had a roof that's acting a little gimmicky. We have a dent that's getting PDR'd out. So we're going to take care of this. Just another loyal customer taking care of some little stuff on the car. And over here, the very cool 488 Challenge car. Ferrari. That suffered some body damage in transport. That's the story. We fixed this rear hatchback over here, this rear engine panel. It's gotten rewrapped and it's waiting for transport back to its owner.